Do you want to remove Facebook link from Instagram bio? You can delete a Facebook banner from your Insta profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To remove your Facebook link from your Instagram bio, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button below your bio section. A new screen will appear with different options. On the Edit Profile screen, scroll down and tap on the Banners option. Here, you will see all the added links to your account, including your Facebook link. Tap on the cross icon next to the Facebook username to remove. Now, select Remove from the pop-up menu. After confirming, tap on the Save icon at the top right of the screen. Your Facebook link will now be removed from your Instagram bio, and it will no longer appear on your profile.